Today we are making gluten-free cookies. Today's recipe is perfect for bake sales, holiday parties, for our kids to bake and decorate, and they're also perfect for cutting out with your favorite shapes. To get started, I'm going to cream the butter and sugar on medium speed in this large bowl. You can make this in a stand mixer or with a hand mixer. Now, once our butter and sugar are combined, we're gonna add the egg, milk, vanilla, salt, and I like to add just a touch of cinnamon to my sugar cookies, but of course that's totally optional. And that's usually enough. And let's get this mixed up. Now this is all fluffy and really combined. We're gonna add our gluten-free flour. This flour mix already has xanthan gum, but if yours doesn't have xanthan gum in the ingredients, you add it in this step as well. Now I'm gonna wrap my cookie dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about an hour so it firms up and I can cut it out. Refrigerating your cookie dough is going to make it nice and firm so you can roll it out and make your cutout cookies. Now, the fun part. I've got my oven preheating to 350, and then I'm gonna remove the dough from the bowl and roll it out on a flat surface with a little bit of additional gluten-free flour so it doesn't stick. You want to roll your dough out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. In order for the roll to not stick, you also wanna kind of flour the top of your cookie dough. I'm going to leave the link to the gluten-free flour that I use right below this video. Now, once your dough is about 1/4 of an inch thick, you're gonna take your cookie cutters and begin pressing them into the dough. The great thing about sugar cookie dough is that you can reshape it back up into a ball and really get all of it used up. So I've got a parchment lined baking sheet right here that I'm just going to transfer my cookies onto. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, so let's bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden brown and our cookies are solid. And in spite of the cookie dough being gluten-free, the cookies still come out awesome. So these sugar cookies have cooled down to room temperature already, and I just want to show you that they're perfectly picker-upable. Is that even a word? You can pick them up and then you could frost them, or your kids could frost them, or if you're a kid, you could frost them. Either way. Let's give it a try. It's totally like a really good sugar cookie. You should really try these. The recipe and the link right below this video. While you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to hang out, bake, cook every single week. See you next time.